came here to betray me.
Strange. All new Sunday at 10 on FX. To watch previous episodes, download FX now. And meet the cast of American Assassin.
These people train for years and do things that they can't even tell you about.
In theaters Friday. Rated R.
These are Domino's all-new Parmesan-dusted, garlic-seasoned, and cinnamon-sprinkled bread twists. How did we come up with such a clever name? We'll never tell. Choose any two of Domino's new bread twists or medium two-topping pizzas for $5.99 each.